Yes sir, yes sir. Still on board, still on board.
Where's your crew? Where's your crew?
All inside, all inside, all inside. The accommodation is locked.
Jesus. Yung
Speed the vessel, ha? Speed the vessel. Go to John Caesar. So you come close to the big vessel at John number 9, ha? Speed to the big vessel, John number 9.
Yes, zone number 9, zone number 9.
Saan gala paglapit ko may armas eh.
Yan na,
Oo.
yan pa.
Takbo agad eh.
Hello, what's up guys? Maayong udto diha. Ay, ito na naman. Iba nangyari kanina. Yeah, so update tayo sa mga nangyayari. Latest incident, mga kaibigan. So early this morning, nagkaroon kami ng hindi naman siya matatawag na piracy or something like terrorism. Actually theft, nagnakaw, no? Ninakaw yung ating pinakamamahal kong engine ng aking rescue boat, no? Kanina this early morning around 3 o'clock in the morning. That's my duty, and thankful pa rin tayo kasi God is always good, that always protect us from this kind of situation. So thank you. So guys, titignan natin yung ng incident. Yan. Bali kinuha na dun yung fuel, natanggal na rin yan, pati yung machine, okay, engine ng ating rescue boat. Okay, yan yung inakyat nila.